Hello everybody, my name is Echo Lima India. I hope you guys are having a great day. Ladies and gentlemen, I have an announcement for all of you. So, if you saw my last video just now, I talked about that I might make Fortnite videos. Alright, that's one of my choices of making a new video in my YouTube channel. So my second choice is that if you didn't know that I really like researching about ghosts, demons, and urban legends. I search about their history and many more. One thing that I have been researching now is about the Necronomicon, aka the Book of the Dead. It was made by H.P. Lovecraft. I found this in Wikipedia. So, my announcement is that I might make videos about me researching or making a spawn, a vortex, an entrance for the demons. Might sound fake, but I have just the right thing to use. So, I hope you guys stay safe. Have a great day. Again, I am Echo Lima India, and peace out.